Want to delete your Adobe Express account? Let's walk through the process together. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Express and sign into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Now, tap on Manage Account. This will take you to the settings page. From here, click on Account and Security and select Data and Privacy Settings. Scroll down a little and at the bottom of the page, you can see the option to delete your account. Tap on Delete Adobe Account and confirm the action and your account will be requested to be deleted. Deleting your account is permanent, so make sure to save any important projects before going ahead. Are you sure you are ready to delete your account? Let me know why in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.